Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video is going to be about how to make $100 per day with Gtzha using push ads. Welcome to today's video on how to make $100 per day with Gtzha using push ads, guys. So if you don't know what is push ads is kind of hype right now, right? Because push ad, when you compare to Facebook ads or any other ads, the regulation that we have in push ads for now, it's not that strict compared to the ones that we have with other ad system like Facebook and everything. So literally we're going to teach you on how to use push ads to make money. How to use an offer from Gtzha, and then we're gonna bring that offer to push ads, and then we're gonna show you how you can actually make money out of that. So for today's video, we will be actually needing Gtzha. Gtzha would be our affiliate network. Gtzha is actually affiliate network established in Thailand. Now they are in their HQ is in Singapore. They do have an office in Amsterdam as well, and we're going to use PropellerAds. PropellerAds is going to be the traffic source that we're going to use. Is going to be our push ads traffic source, and then definitely we're going to use Mr. Google. So I'm going to walk through you A to Z on how you can actually use an offer from Gtzha, take that offer, change that offer into a push ad, and then you send it offer, and then you start making money. So push ad is literally a little bit less complicated and much more straightforward compared to other ads. There's no much regulation, there's no need for a landing page, there's no need for a middleman or something like that. So a lot of things are happening with push ads. So push ad is actually very great. So let's go ahead and not waste any time and start with our video. But before that, let me just tell you, this video might be shorter than the normal videos, so bear with me, guys. So just bear with me. Yes, all right. So like I told you, the first thing that you gotta go to is Gtzha. So a lot of people ask me this question, whether Gtzha, is it actually a reliable affiliate network? If you go Google, you try to search for Gtzha's review, you will never see bad reviews regarding Gtzha. I don't know why, but they don't have any bad review. And this is actually thing because their marketing strategy, actually they focus on getting into the personal touch of customer, which is like they want real people to be there. There's no bots, there's no nothing, everything is like real people. So real people are there, and their customer service is tip top, and it really worked. They started off with Thailand, now they are in Thailand, they are in Singapore, then now they are also in Amsterdam. So they are growing very fast, they're growing very huge. If you keep checking the offers in Gtzha, you would know that their offers are growing as well. So it works. Literally, people don't trust bots, people don't trust and all those stuff anymore. They want personal touch, and Gtzha actually use that technique because they have super customer support, they have super affiliate managers, supportive affiliate manager, and all those stuff. Not only that, guys, they have different attributes such as their payouts are great. Their payouts are like very minimal, weekly payouts, always on time, and all those stuff, guys. So they have a lot of good habits, guys. I'm not promoting Gtzha. Like I always say in all my Gtzha video, Gtzha's biggest drawback is there's no any referral link. So even though I talk like this, you might like, and then you want to go and join Gtzha, you can join through my link, and then I make money. Sadly, nothing like that exists in Gtzha. So you can actually see in the description of this video, there is no any link to Gtzha, so I'm not promoting Gtzha. So like I told you, just sign up into Gtzha, put your real information. The AM are super fast, super nice, super sweet, super cute, whatever, say whatever you guys want, guys. And so that's what happens when you actually sign up. They can actually get you into the Gtzha network very fast. So once you're actually into the Gtzha network, this is how the Gtzha network looks like. You can actually go ahead and go to the offer section over here. Even if you look at the dashboard and everything looks pretty neat, right? And if you're familiar with all kinds of affiliate network, you would know what is a template based affiliate network and what is A to Z homemade affiliate network. So Gtzha is definitely a homemade affiliate network. Looking at the dashboard itself, you will know that. I'm not saying that those who use the templates are bad. Big Bang Ads use templates, they're great. What else? Yep, Ads use templates, they are great as well. So a lot of softwares, affiliate network use templates. I'm not saying that they are bad, but when you actually build something A to Z by yourself, it's always better than using a template. I always feel that way, and then Gtzha proved it. All right, so you can actually go to the offer section and you can actually see the offer that they have. They have currently 4,949 offers. They're going to reach 5,000 offers very soon. So they have a lot of offers, guys. And the thing about Gtzha is they have like literally in all verticals they have offer. You can go and check what verticals over here. So in all the verticals they have actually have offer, and then in all status they have like active they have like public offers. They have offers that you can actually apply to run. Most of the offers are applied to run, guys, but like I told you, since their affiliate managers are very supportive, they are very keen in helping you out. So when you actually apply to run a campaign in Gtzha, it takes just like that to get yourself approved, guys. So that's the plus point about Gtzha, guys. So whatever it is, we are going to run a public campaign today. Like I told you, since we are using push ads and we are using Propeller ads as a traffic source, I'm not saying Propeller ads is the only traffic source available there. There's a lot of other traffic sources available there as well. You can go ahead and check it out for yourself, but I personally prefer Propeller ads because I have been using Propeller ads. I have a real account with Propeller ads, my personal account, so I like Propeller ads. I like Zero Park. I like a lot of stuff, guys. So yeah, so we're gonna run a public offer. When you press public, you can actually see there's 350 public offers. So like I told you, the majority offers are actually applied to run. If you see apply to run, you can actually see 4,561 offers, guys. So because they are very specific in their customer support, they are very specific in their offers. So they want to give you the best, and they don't want the advertiser to get sad as well. They want the advertiser to make money as well as the publisher to make money as well. So win-win in both sides, and they make money if both of you all win as well. So that's what they want. So we want public offers, and like I told you in push ad, the regulation is not so strong, so you can actually go ahead and try binary. I think binary is there, so you can actually go ahead and try a binary offer, which we're gonna try right now. So we're gonna try Finland offer. So Finland offer, yeah, we're gonna try this one. Run Finland FTD 5k a week. So this is the whole thing. So you can actually go ahead and press push. Is that push? There's no push, so it's still PPC. So you can actually go ahead and submit, and once you have actually submitted, you can actually see that this is the link, affiliate link. You can actually see this is the affiliate link that you're gonna paste in your Propeller ads, guys. So we have actually choose an offer. Now we're gonna go to Propeller ads and start building our ads. So you have to like register into the Propeller ads, then you have to verify then you can actually deposit and start building your account. So once you actually get access into Propeller ads, this is how Propeller ads dashboard looks like. This is my own account, guys. As you can see, I have real money running right here. Wow. So we're gonna create a campaign. So like I told you, add funds. So once you have actually add funds, you can actually go ahead and start creating campaign. So all you gotta do is very simple, guys. Go to campaign over here, press create campaign, and start creating campaign. The campaigns are pretty very straightforward. So the first thing you got to do is you got to name the campaign. So we're going to name the campaign 5k a week, for example. 5k a week, and then we want push notification, so we're going to press push. So there's two pricing model. One is CPM, one is CPC. CPM means cost per impression, CPC means cost per click. Literally what I'm trying to say is cost per impression is how many people you get charged from the way how many people you are showing your ads to. Cost per click means you'll only be charged if somebody clicks on your ad. So it works in a different way. It works on different angle as well, whether you want to do awareness campaign, whether you want to drive traffic. So it works in a different way. So we want CPC. So once we have actually done CPC, the target URL over here is where you're going to paste the affiliate link. So we're going to paste the affiliate link. Like I told you, it's pretty straightforward, guys. So once you have actually pasted the affiliate link, you can actually set frequency cap if you want to. Then you can actually go ahead and put how many visitors will see the creatives per hour. So you can actually change this, which means I'm only letting the visitors see this at one time every 24 hours. So once you have done that, you can actually go ahead and do the creatives. We're going to do the creatives later. Let's go and set everything up first. So the traffic options, all traffic, user activity, you can actually select if you want to, high, medium, low. I prefer to select all three over here. And then automatic bidding, you can actually go ahead and start the country that you want to bid. And this is like for Finland, right? So we're gonna do Finland. So we're gonna do Finland. Yes, we're gonna do Finland. So they will actually give a recommended CPC already for Finland. So the recommended CPC for Finland would be 0.82. So and the maximum would be 0.13. So 0.082. So we're gonna put 0.082. You can actually follow that, and you can actually know where if you put 0.8, how much clicks you will be getting. You can actually see over here estimated clicks 6,000. So you can actually see a lot of stuff over here, and then you can actually put the cities as well if you want to, and then over here you can actually go ahead. Am I doing it very fast? I hope I'm not doing it very fast. I hope you can actually grab whatever I'm doing. If you still can't grab whatever I'm doing, you can just go ahead and leave us a comment below, and we will get to that particular comment ASAP, guys. So you can actually go ahead and set a daily campaign budget over here. Let's just say $10 for example, or $30 for example. So $30 total campaign budget can be set as well, and you can choose the targeting, whether you want it to be desktop, mobile. You can choose OS, what type of operating system you want. So you can do a lot of stuff over here, guys. So let me just choose something. All right, Android. Yep. So you can choose all these stuffs, and then you can actually go to your audience. You can actually see if you have already a visiting audience from your website. You can actually retarget this to the audience. If you don't, then it's okay. And then you can actually schedule the campaign when you want the campaign to run. You can actually do the UTC, you can set the time, you can set the period, and all these stuff, and then you can actually declare your campaign and press start campaign. But we're not going to start campaign because we have not did the creatives yet. So we're going to do the creatives now. I want to show you how to do the creatives. It's pretty straightforward, guys. Whenever you start typing something, it will actually, you can actually preview the push notification. So what we're going to type is, usually what we will type is like this: new message alert. This is how we will type, and like I told you, it totally depends on your creative, on how you want to do these creatives. It literally depends on your creatives. So the description over here, you can actually put free make automated money today. And usually what we will do is, there's two images that you can actually upload. So what we'll do is, one image would be something like an email, and another image would be related to the offer itself. So what we're going to do is, we're going to choose an image. We're going to use Mr. Google for that. So in Google, we're going to do like email icon, for example. So you're going to go to here. The email icon looks great. So we want choose an email icon. This looks nice. I hope it's not that big. So we're gonna save this email icon in JPEG here, and then we're gonna go over here. We're gonna upload this image icon. We're gonna see whether it's big or not. It's nice. It's pretty nice. So the email icon is like this, and over here you're gonna upload the details of the offer itself. So 5K per week. So that's the whole thing. So we're gonna do 5K a week. I'm not sure that this thing is over here. So yeah, it's not here. So we can actually go ahead and choose like make money. You can actually choose something like this, which is interesting as well. So Looks nice. This looks pretty neat. Looks pretty funny as well. So you're gonna do this. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna upload the image. So it's pretty simple, guys. And trust me, guys, once you have done that, you can actually preview. You can actually see how it will look in Chrome, in Android, in Windows, and in Mac. So I think it looks pretty neat, right? New message alert: make automated money today as an email signature, and your money is flowing out. And trust me, you can do up to 6 creative per ad. So you can actually keep doing this kind of ads, and it's pretty straightforward, guys. It's very easy. If you're fond of using Facebook, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Pinterest, Quora, whatever ads, guys, I think push ads is one of the best and one of the most simplest to set up. So that's it, guys. Start doing other creative if you want to. You can actually go ahead and add this creative if you want to. We just want one creative for sample purposes, and then you can just go ahead and start the campaign, and everything will run effective for you. I've actually created another campaign sample as well. This is the campaign sample that I create for crypto masterboard. It's also an offer from Gtzha. So as you can see, blah blah blah, link. This is the creatives that I put. So I'm just going to show you different creatives, so you have a rough idea on how things works and everything. So this is how you do it, guys. Once you have actually set up push campaign, then you can actually just go ahead and press start campaign, and you know what will happen? Simple thing will happen. This pop-up will come up, and when somebody clicks over here, they will be led to your landing page where they can actually sign up, and if they sign up, you will be starting to make money, guys. So it's pretty simple, guys. So that's literally how you make $100 per day using Gtzha with push campaign. I really hope that this video was beneficial for you. I know this video was short. I hope I wasn't too fast. I hope you still managed to capture one of few things from this video, which I really hope you do. And on top of that, the most important part is I really hope that you enjoyed today's video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.